Hello, everybody. How are you guys doing? It's been quite some time, and we've not come to you, but we're working some things out to make sure that we're able to get back to you guys and do it like we used to do. You all know how we used to do it. We had this interview planned for you guys. We had Jaydee waiting, but you know how technology is, and we just couldn't figure out one or two things. I'd say it's from my end. There's a new update they had on the software that needed the host to go and sign in on the platform through their social media account. I wouldn't do that if it was me, so that created a little problem for us. But we finally sorted it out. But Jaydee has a show to attend, and but I still want him to come and say hello to us, and then we will postpone this to another time. So I'm just gonna wait to see if they're gonna connect him back on the show, because we just had to, we plan to have a 45 minutes interview, 45 to 1 hour interview or so, but this whole technology thing made him decide to, he had not made him decide, but he has to be off to somewhere. So I told his management to try and see if he could come in, say hi to us, and then we would postpone it. If not, then we will just postpone it to some other time. We'll record it, and then we'll come and play it for you guys. Jaydee is someone who I just fell in love with the music when I heard his music, and I insisted on bringing him up. Okay, so let me request from his management if he can come on now. Let me see. I'm just sending him a text. Let me see if he. I know they are very busy people, very busy people. So, but I want to thank everybody who tried to log on. I'm gonna just grab something from this to make you guys see that for real, we were gonna have this interview with him, and there are so many other people that are lined up to come talk to us in this Christmas season, because when we close shop, as they say here, when we stop working, then we have a little bit of time to bring guests on. But let's see, let's keep our fingers crossed. Technology was not our friend today, but it's okay. It's okay. You know, we never give up. We never give up. Just making sure everybody is receiving us. If you see this on Instagram, please let us know. If you see this on Facebook, we're live on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, of course, 2 channels on YouTube, and also LinkedIn. And it would be nice to know where people are watching from while I'm still waiting to have him come on. Let me go ahead and play his music. I was reserving this music for when he finally comes on, but let me play the music now while we're waiting for him. Maybe that would let you understand why I really wanted to talk with Jaydee, especially if you're an able person. Yeah, I'll take Okay, this guy is just bad. You know, when they say somebody's bad, the guy, the bad. I'm telling you. Let me play the song. So maybe you can go out there on his YouTube channel, on his Instagram page. Just Google Jaydee, and then you can learn more about Jaydee. But let me just play his one of his tracks, and you see this is the one that really I love. I love this one. Let's listen to this one. Oh, all this while I was talking, nobody told me that my mic was off. Oh, you could hear me. Okay, you could hear me. I thought my mic was off. Okay, that's good. So let me go back and play with music. I thought you guys were not hearing me. Let me go back. Sorry about that.
Aya say sempe ya, ego say sempe ya. aya say simple. Ego acha jilo. Ego acha jilo.
Oh my God, you guys see what I'm talking about? That is why we have to promote this guy. We have to sell this guy. You know what I mean? Like, we have to support him. Anybody that you see that goes hardcore, I like when people go hardcore, into their roots, to take what is already there and transform it into a beautiful piece of artwork, as it were. I like to support them. If you know the origin of that song and what people have done with it before, you know that Jaydee did a perfect job on that song. He didn't try to destroy it. He didn't try to he didn't try to funkify the song, but he just did a very beautiful rendition of that song. And that's why I am very, very happy with that song. I give him 100%. He has a lot of songs on his channel too. There are other channels where, there are other songs on his channel. I might go there, but I don't want to give out so much since we're going to be having him, do a full interview with us. All I'm trying to do is just wait until it comes in and you guys see for real that we planned this. As an artist, their time is limited. He had 1 hour blocked for me. He has another appointment after that 1 hour. So our time is kind of messed up. But if he's able to come for 5 minutes, 10 minutes and talk to us, that's fine. If he's not able to do that, you guys watch out for me. I'm going to, have a new date, but I will hang on to see if he's going to come on live. I'll hang on a little bit and hopefully he'll come on live and we will hear from Jaydee himself. But what I'm going to do is let me go over and find his channel so that you guys can also just go there and begin to check him out. Begin to check him out even before he comes. Even before he comes with us. You guys can go check him out. Anyways, let me go to his channel. Let's look for Jaydee. This kind of thing is actually Jaydee Bombshell. Okay, here is his channel. I got his channel here. Okay, he's here. Onyegu. Kekwan. Papo.
Good evening.
Good evening, my brother. No vex. Biko Bagalo, I'm the one that caused everything. I didn't realize that there's a setting that I didn't realize. So your manager, it was your manager that actually helped me to figure out. So I just did the thing. But everything is cool now. I know you're on your way to your next appointment. But how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm very good. I'm very good. I'm sorry.
Oh,
I'm sorry. It's turned out this way. You know, but it will surely work out. Let me say this coming week.
okay. All right. You know, the thing is, I'm so happy. I'm so happy that at least you came, so that people will know that it's for real. Okay. So,
Yeah.
and you're a very busy person, very very busy. I've it has taken me almost 3 weeks to track you down.
It's not my fault now. Trying to get things together to
If
step
you
up
like
to
say you
the
don't they
next
count
level.
too much money, you don't they count too much money. That's why.
Ah, not really. We are plussing, to step up to the next level.
Yeah. So don't worry. You're going to. I want you to come to Canada. I'm going to plan for you to come to Canada here.
No problems. No
Uh,
problems.
Maybe we'll do North America. We'll plan it and do North America. You do Canada, do US, and that will be fine.
Okay. Okay. A kind of story.
Yeah. I kind of thought. Come on, the
Yeah.
042, the
It's
042
very
now.
nice.
042 boys, they Canada and America. Well.
I be no be lie. Then they tell me, oh, you get one of my fan where
Yeah,
joined my life one day on Instagram. He
yeah.
said that anytime that I will touch down UK, that you'll be spraying me, not dollars, but pounds. And
No problem.
I was like, no problem. That next year will be a very big level up.
Yeah.
I'm planning to drop my EP, but it will be next year. Maybe after
Okay.
my EP, if we plan well, after my EP, I'll be coming for the tour, so that
Okay.
it will go well together
Yes,
in
yes.
promoting the EP also.
Okay. Make we no come give them too much. Make we reserve something. So we not give them
Yeah.
everything. So that for the interview, we'll show them more. Okay. But thank you very much. Okay. I'm gonna let you go so that
Yes.
you can focus on where you're going. But thank you so much, my brother. Okay. Keep doing what you're doing. And we'll see you shortly for the main interview. Okay.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
All right. Thank you,
You're
Thank you.
welcome.
Okay, bye
Yeah.
bye.
Talk
Bye bye.
later.
All right, bye bye. Bye bye. Okay, guys. So you see that's Jaydee for real. He wasn't. None of us was putting this up. He's a very busy guy. He's already left the studio and driving to his next appointment. The next appointment is just 3 minutes away, so you can't blame him. I take responsibility 100% for what happened today. But then again, you can't blame me. StreamYard, they added something else. You know how they they send you an email or they just say we have updated our blah blah blah, and so they put some security features that makes it mandatory that your guest has to authenticate and you have to go there to remove it by yourself. So if you're using StreamYard, if you're a content creator and you're using StreamYard, just know this now. You need to go into your platform and either uncheck that piece that says, guests must authenticate. Otherwise, your guests will be forced to log into their YouTube or their Facebook. And me, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. So I don't blame anybody, and I won't force anybody to do what I won't do. I won't go to a platform that is a strange platform and go there and put in my password. That's not very advisable. It has security implications. All right. Anyways, thank you so much for signing in, and I would let you guys know when we're coming on with Jaydee sometime this week. Definitely in a couple of days, we're gonna bring him back. If you missed the live, don't worry. We're going to upload the video, and you guys can watch the video. But thank you so much, those of you that came back. If you came back, just give us a comment. Let's know that you came back to our station and tell us where you reached us from. If you're in the motherland, let us know. If you are in Coal City, go let us know. But if you're in any part of the world, please let us know and share this video and let people know that in a few days, Jaydee is going to come back live to us, and we will have him all by ourselves, and we're asking any question that we want to ask him, and we will get to know about him. I'm going to leave you guys with just a small clip of Jaydee's song that really ministers to me. Or maybe we should play another one from his album. No. Let me just play the one that I know. Okay, and then I'll see you guys shortly. All right, take care.
Enugu gemunti kende kenunti onumuonu meja korunu yegu duru biabayi o unemu o deje ego adona lubaro mapa sowe mani metu kwe munu makale oye bi kalowe egu mana benugu bayi o anabaya neba o agabe soyana Oboyemu wa imaru pami nwa afamefu na-enwuranwu ọ bụkwa nwoke nkanụ o tolu na Sabat obodo ofe Igbo ọkụwa gbangịgba onye ọbụla kwụrụ ọtọ agbọghọ bịarutekwe ọsụ na ọ chọziri pami nwa okoro bịarutekwe ọsụ na ọ chọziri pami nwa asị na achọziri pami nwa ma na-eme ya egwurugwu ọkpọ ya pami udubọnchi na-ele bụ onye sowere akụwa agba nke